Just another crazy day. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. It is Thursday. It is the 25th of June. Another wacko day of schizoid markets, and of course, we were down big. We went all the way back up. Now we're headed back south again. It has been really, really wild, and basically all the indexes, none are being left out here. They're all taking their turns of going up and going down and driving everybody nuts. But that is the true version of illiquidity in a market. This is why you get these violent swings up and down, because there's nobody stopping it in the way on either side. They let the weak hands get punished, and the strong hands push them around. Very simple. In the meantime, right now, okay, the markets are lower. And of course, we are short everything but the NASDAQ. We are long the NASDAQ. But again, it does appear to be a potential trend change in general here, which would be the first one in quite a while. Again, it's not confirmed yet, but it certainly looks that way. And the charts are showing that way. So we'll see, indeed, if it's going to follow through. But at the end of the day, we remain in the same positions. The metals have been also schizoid. They have been up and down and moving around. Now, gold has been, okay. I mean, after yesterday's reversal, which was not pretty, but it is holding support, which is cool. Silver is holding support, which had a couple of spikes up, but is back down at that bottom end. And platinum is still extremely weak, which fits our positions perfectly. Long gold and silver, short platinum. Copper is a little bit lower, but again, copper's had such a big move up that we're long. I mean, I can't argue with a little bit of sell-off, a little profit taking. Net gas is a little bit lower. Bonds are higher again, but they look like they're starting to weaken as well. But we're still long bonds. Crude is higher after being much lower overnight. Now it rallied. Now it's coming back a little bit. Again, 40 was my level. I mean, we're still long, but 40 was what I told you to watch, and we're once again well below 40. The dollar is once again strong, which we are long the dollars now. So again, you're seeing the things as we see them, and as the algorithm identified, well in advance of all this happening. And of course, the grains, man, I tell you, it is ugly out there. But again, we still like them. However, we did reverse corn this morning. Okay, we're short corn, long beans, short wheat. Corn and beans. I mean, corn, if you look at corn compared to the rest, it's really getting hammered. But down about 6 cents. Soybeans are down 7. Wheat's up a little bit. But again, I put no stock in what's going on here. This is, again, illiquidity at its finest. The funds are trying to push hard. They're trying to break them. But again, they've tried, and they have not been able to break them. So in my eyes, I will look for this to turn around at some point. But again, I will follow the algorithm as well. So I'm now short corn, short wheat, and now long soybeans still. Meats are all a little bit higher. And again, I think they look fine. We're still short hogs. But at some point, I would expect that to turn as well. Again, a lot's going on with what goes on with the economy, kind of the theme we talk about every day. But again, we will not adjust, our positions until the algorithm does. But in the meantime, it's a sloppy, illiquid trading day. Again, the best trade today that's been working is the blow-off trade. And of course, our positions we don't touch during the day anyways. So we'll stay where we are. And of course, if you want to see what these portfolios look like, Saturday at noon Eastern, I'm doing a webinar. You can come and check it out. It's posted on the website. If you can't see it, you can also email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. It's free, noon Eastern time, Saturday, June 27th. And of course, don't forget about our new commodity report, Technimental, written by Andy Hecht. As I say to you all the time, it is by far the most comprehensive and best report I've ever seen. And it's using fundamentals, which I never use, but also technicals, which we do use. So again, it's a great report written by a guy that's been in the business for 40 years. Number one author, Seeking Alpha, biggest silver trader in the world, traded commodities worldwide in person. So it's worth checking out. Go to bubbatrading.com, Technimental. And our brokerage partners, again, there's nobody like our partners and from brokers' standpoint. CTG, you got new products coming out. greatest customer service, handles all of our letter of direction trading. I mean, what more can you ask for from a broker than to do everything you need? Okay, and Tradier is the same way. And Tradier is $10 a month. So again, no matter what you're paying, where you're at, it's more than $10 a month, I can assure you. Plus the fact that we tie into the API at Tradier, and as we automate, and by January we'll be fully automated. So again, I urge you to check those out. Just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you a link. And of course, our high school program, Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading as we rebuild it for, hopefully, a new school year. In the meantime, everybody have a great trading day. If you're going to trade, I mean, my advice, go play golf. That's what I'd like to do, and I think I might. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Up.